The 2008 Honda Accord has one of those sneaky maintenance minder systems that tells you the oil life in percentages. It feels high-tech until it doesn't reset after you change the oil. Like, cool, thanks for the warning, now let it go. Most people don't realize the system doesn't auto-reset after the oil change. Yep, even if your mechanic did the oil right, that 15% oil life haunting your dashboard, it's just software waiting for you to give it the green light. And people drive around thinking they need another change. So here's the move. First, turn the key to the on position, which means 2 clicks forward without starting the engine. Dashboard lights will do their Blade Runner routine. Don't press the brake or gas, just key it forward. That's step 1. Now, look at the instrument panel. Hit the Select Reset knob, the little stalk sticking out of the dash, until it shows your oil life percentage. If you see anything else, like tire pressure or maintenance codes, keep toggling. You're shooting for the number. Here's where it gets counterintuitive. Once it shows oil life, press and hold the Select Reset button for about 10 seconds. I'm serious. People shortchange this part at like 4 seconds and then think it's broken. Count to 10 like you're rebooting your sanity. After the long press, the display will blink. Like a subtle, "You sure about this?" This is your moment. Release the button briefly, then press and hold it again for another 5 seconds. That move confirms the reset. Think of it as a handshake deal with your dashboard. Once done, the display should reset to 100% oil life. And voila! Your Accord is emotionally reconciled with its new oil. No warning codes, no guilt, no ghostly reminders every time you start the car. This is how professionals do it. No OBD scan tool needed. Now, about that oil change schedule the Minder is based on, Honda claims you can stretch changes up to 8,000 miles depending on driving habits. In a perfect world, sure. But in Portland's stop and go, or if you drive short trips daily, cut that number closer to 5,000. A lot of people panic when they see codes like A1 or B2 on this system. None of these are catastrophic. A is for oil change, B is oil plus inspections. The numbers tell you what else needs checking, like filters, fluid levels, brakes. It's basically adulting decoded. Pro tip, after every oil change, don't even leave the lot before doing the reset. I've talked to guys who swore their engine was shot just because they saw 0% oil life. The Minder doesn't care about reality, it waits for your input. Another common misstep, thinking this applies only to the 2008 model. Nope. Honda baked this system into most Accords between 2006 and like 2012. The UI might look slightly different, but the reset method is the same across the board. And here's the last bit no one tells you. The reset method works even if you didn't actually change your oil. I'm not saying fake it forever, but if you want a silent dashboard while waiting for payday, boom. Oil Minder reset hack, courtesy of Scott in Portland.